Butter making is a fun and easy project you can do at home. All you need is some heavy whipping cream, a glass or plastic jar with a lid, salt, cold water, a bowl, and a spoon. First, let your cream sit out until it is room temperature. Second, pour it into a glass or plastic jar and securely attach the lid. Third, shake until you have butter. This should take 10 to 20 minutes. Next, pour the butter in a bowl and wash the butter by pouring cold water on it and stirring it with a spoon. Pour the water out and repeat until the water is clear. Salt the butter to taste and refrigerate. You can use it later for making cakes and pies and cookies and putting on toast and the things you would normally use store-bought butter for. Now for a little science behind butter making. Cream is milk that contains 15 to 25% fat globules. A globule is a super tiny membrane filled with fat molecules. Think of a microscopic water balloon. Because these globules are so small and fat is lighter than water, it floats. This forms a stable suspension called a colloid. The bigger the globules, the slower it moves, and the thicker the milk or the cream. When shaken, the globules' membranes smash against each other and burst like water balloons. The fat then spills out and clumps together with the contents of other burst globules, which causes the freed fat to separate from the liquid. As this process continues, two new substances are formed. One is a solid, the butter, and the other is a liquid, the buttermilk.